Hello there, this is from Karvil Machinery Technology Company in China. For this video, I would like to make a simple test for the new finished 100 liters model kneader mixer for the basic mixing function. Okay, this is electricity cabinet and the power has been connected. And first, I would like to make a simple introduction for the panel. This is a wattage meter, and this is a material temperature display, and this is the jacket temperature display. This is two inverters for the main motor and the vice motor inverter, and this part is double sigma blades control, mixing direction forward, reverse, stop, speed up, speed down. And this part is for the discharging screw discharging direction, reverse direction, and stop, speed up, speed down, emergency stop button. And this is a light switch, light on the top lid. Let's open it. Oh, release the emergency stop button. Okay, now the light on. We can check the inside the situation via another window here. Okay, first we test the mixing function. Mixing forward, give it some speed. And now the double sigma blades are rotating. This is the speed of the double sigma blades. For example, 6.6. The more speed. This is the voice of the motor. Let's check. Now we can see that the double sigma blades are rotating in the forward direction. Okay, I give it more speed now. Let's check. Now the double sigma blades are rotating in more speed. Okay, this is a forward mixing direction. At the same time, I would like to start the discharging screw. This is for the screw discharging forward direction. Let's start. We'll give it some speed. Also, via this panel, this is speed of the discharging screw. For example, 12.6 is the discharging screw speed. Okay, let's check. Now we can see middle bottom, the discharging screw are rotating in the discharging direction. Okay, now I will give them the max speed. Max speed. Okay, this is the max speed, discharging speed. And also for the double sigma blades, max speed. When the number get to 15, it will be the max speed. Okay, this is a max double sigma blade speed. This is max speed of the discharging screw. Let's check. Okay, no problem. So we stop them. Just now I have stopped the mixing and discharging. Okay, no problem. It is the same situation for the reverse direction. Let's test. Double sigma blades, reverse direction. Give it some speed. Screw reverse. Give it some speed. Okay, and let's check again. Now the double sigma blades are rotating in the reverse direction, as well as screw. I will give it more speed. Speed up. And also the screw. For the reverse direction of the discharging screw, it can help to mix the material more evenly during the double sigma blades mixing. More evenly make the material mixing. Also, we equipped a safety protection system via this visor here. Once the lid opened, the mixer will stop. Okay, let's test. Now I open the lid. So once the lid opened, the mixer stopped. Okay, this is for safety consideration during the work. Okay. Also, I would like to test the emergency stop button. Some speed. Forward, for example. Discharging, for example. Okay. Now they work. And I push the emergency stop button. It stops. Okay. However, even in the lid open position, we also equipped an inching switch. Inching switch. However, we must keep my hand on the button, just like this. I give it some speed. For example, like this. Also the sigma blades rotate. However, once I remove it, it stops. It is the same situation. It is the same situation for the screw. It is the same situation for the screw. I must keep my hand on the button. Once remove, it stop. This is for the convenience of the material maintenance or cleaning after mixing. So this is an inching switch function. It helps the after work cleaning period. So this is a simple test for the 100 liters model kneader mixer for Europe client. This is for silicone rubber production. If you have any interest for this kind of mixer, please don't hesitate to contact us for more information. This is from Karvil Machinery Technology Company in China. Thanks for watching.